Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to change Facebook location settings. Make sure to subscribe to Fix-It for more tutorials. First of all, open up Facebook app. Tap on Menu at the right bottom of the screen. Then hitting the gear icon over here, and after you're in Settings and Privacy. What you want to do is go down to Permissions. Now tap on second option, Device Permission. As you can see, Location. I have denied location access to Facebook. If you want to change it, tap on See Info. Now tap on Update Settings. Go to Open Device Settings. On your settings page, scroll down. Tap on App Store. Then tap on Location.